Imagine losing your job unexpectedly or facing a sudden medical expense. What would you do? This is where an emergency fund becomes your financial safety net. Hi, I'm Spidey Educates. Today, we're talking about why an emergency fund is crucial, how it works, and how even beginners can start building one, step by step. If you're ready to take control of your finances, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or temporary unemployment. It's not for vacations, shopping sprees, or dining out. Think of it as your financial shield against life's surprises. Pro tip: keep this fund separate from your regular savings to avoid the temptation to dip into it. Here's why having an emergency fund is a must. Peace of mind. You'll sleep better knowing you have a safety net for unexpected expenses. Avoid debt. Without a fund, you might rely on credit cards or loans, leading to high-interest payments. Financial freedom. An emergency fund keeps you in control, helping you avoid financial stress. Scenario: imagine your car breaks down and the repair costs $15,000. If you have an emergency fund, you pay up front and move on. Without it, you might swipe a credit card and pay months of interest. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Step 1. Calculate your monthly essentials. Rent, $10,000. Groceries, $5,000. Utilities and transportation, $3,000. Total, $18,000 per month. Multiply this by 3 to get $54,000 as your starting goal. Pro tip: if this seems overwhelming, don't worry. Start small. Even $500 a month adds up over time. What matters is consistency. Here's a simple, actionable plan to start your emergency fund. Open a separate account. Use a high-interest savings account so your money grows. Set a monthly target. Commit to saving a fixed amount every payday. Example: save $1,000 every month. In a year, you'll have $12,000. Cut unnecessary expenses. Find small ways to save. Skip that 200 coffee thrice a week and you'll save $2,400 a month. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your emergency fund right after payday. Challenge yourself. Try a no-spend week and put the money you save directly into your fund. Your emergency fund is for genuine emergencies only. Ask yourself these 3 questions before using it. Is this expense urgent? Is it unexpected? Is it necessary? Example: use it for a medical emergency or job loss. Avoid using it for sales, vacations, or non-essential upgrades. Pro tip: after using the fund, make rebuilding it a priority. Let's recap how to build your emergency fund. Start small and be consistent. Even $500 a month works. Cut unnecessary expenses and automate savings. Use it only for genuine emergencies and always aim to rebuild it after use. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. A small step today can save you from big stress tomorrow. What's your first savings target for your emergency fund? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Spidey Educates for more practical money tips. See you in the next one.